In this video we'll show you how to output Polyboard's workshop documents. This includes the drawings, cutting list, material and cost reports, and is customizable. Reports can be printed from the cabinet mode as also from the project mode. Let's look closely at this documentation. We start in the project mode. Go to the File menu and select the Print Setup. You get a setup screen showing the different available settings. In the first field you can enter your company name, which will be visible on your document header when processed. We then have the project settings. The fields on the left side can be selected depending on their need in your documentation. Drawing provides a general project view. Cabinet list details the used cabinets in the project in size, quantity and price. Cutting list details all parts in size and quantity and other information as grain and edging. An extra option is available to sort this cutting list by material, if selected. If not selected, the cutting list will be sorted per cabinet. Summary is the cost report detailing all materials, hardware and tooling in quantity and price. An extra option to this is the possibility of adding additional lines to the report indicating specific costs. Let's add an example by clicking on New. In the reference we can describe the cost. For this example we use transport and adding a value of 150. This cost will be visible in our costing report. These lines can be saved as a default setting if you have recurring costs to mention in future projects. Another option is dissociating the fitting price in the report if selected. Let's select this option. Drawing of cabinets projects a single or multi-view of each unit preceding the technical documents. Tooling of cabinets shows a detailed view of each part with its corresponding size, tooling position, side views and a description of each tooling type. Another option is the partial views. This option allows the creation of customized views with the possibility of using a clipping plane to create a more specific view. We have created a few views in this presentation. Below are the general setting parameters on margins, font and printer selection. Click OK to confirm. An information field is also available in the File menu where specific remarks can be added and will appear on the first page of the document. Let's enter the text Bloom hinges. Also, the main dimension can be activated by clicking on the cabinet dimension icon. This will be made visible in the main view and partial views. Let us take a look at the document. In the 2D window, click on the print preview icon. You can see the general view of the project and the notification we made on the information field is also visible together with the main dimensions of the cabinet. After this we will see the partial views that we created. The top view, the side view and the front cut view. This is followed by the cabinet list and the cutting list sorted by materials for panels and bars. The costing report showing the materials, panels and bars. The fittings with the split price in supply and tooling as we selected in the print setup. Note that in general the combined price is mostly used. The machine toolings and the additional line called transport with a value of 150 as said earlier. Next is the view or multi-view of the cabinet, and finally all the technical details of every component. Close the report and double-click on the cabinet to switch from the project to the cabinet mode. Go to the File menu and select the Print Setup. There we have a few more options for the documents. We can find the multi-view option set per cabinet. Click on the multi-view button. On the right side you can select the view options. Simple view, 2 horizontal views, 2 vertical views and 4 views. You can select the views individually and define them with the available parameters on the right lower side. This view will be reflected in the cabinet mode documents as the general cabinet view and in the project mode as the drawing per cabinet. Click on Cancel to exit. Next to that we have the tooling setup. This contains a set of parameters that will define the dimension position on the drawings, the dimensions origin, the display of the regular drilling, and if the part names needs to be viewed as barcodes. The current standard setting is the most used, so you can keep it as is. Click on Cancel to exit and once more on Cancel to exit the print setup. Finally, the 3D visual of the project or cabinet can be viewed as a document. Select the 3D window and click on the print preview icon. Polyboard provides detailed and customizable reports of all your projects and cabinets with full details of every component. Thanks for watching this video.